So let's make some kindness trading cards. What you basically want to have is a small sheet of paper. This is just an index card, like a half-size index card. I got at the office supply store. Index cards work good. Or even if you have some old business cards lying around, that paper is a really perfect surface for this. And then keep it pretty simple. You want, I would say this is probably about a 5 to 7 minute activity. So we're not going to get, you can definitely take longer on it, but for the basic routine, we're only going to spend about 5 to 7 minutes on this. And you want things that are simple to apply. So the goal is to create something that's a message of kindness for yourself or for someone else. So having a list of ideas of things that are kind to say, like I have this page from a calendar that had these positive affirmations, but just printing up a quick list of options of things that people could add to the card is always helpful. Even one word type things. Easy ways to add images are collage, stickers. I had some washi tape today instead of stickers. Something to add color and decorate. Stamp pads are fun. So let's get started. The kids can start however they want on these. I think I'm going to start with a piece of collage. So one of the things I really like about kindness trading cards is it starts to instill this idea that kindness, acting kind to yourself or to other people, is really a pathway to feeling better. Kristen Neff, who's one of the leading researchers in self-compassion, talks about self-kindness as being an antidote to self-judgment. And she talks about common humanity being an antidote to isolation. So think about how that can impact our kids. Once they start to practice being kind to each other and to themselves, how that can bring about a sense of community and shared humanity. That, we all have times where things feel hard. And one way that we can help each other is being with that sense of togetherness versus pointing out our differences. So, this doesn't have to be anything fancy. It's a quick way to take some materials, to organize your body. Maybe if you're having a hard time, you want to connect with a way to be kind to yourself, or maybe you're feeling like nobody gets you. Make a kindness card. When you finish, you can decide, is this something I want to give to someone else? Or is this going to be something that I need to give to myself? Maybe I want to hold on to it for a while and see what I decide to do with it. But no matter what I decide, I've got this concrete image that reminds me of something that I think is important. Also, anytime I use art materials, it gives me a chance to move my body and organize it in a way that maybe it wasn't organized before. Got a little washi tape here to the bottom. So I hope you enjoy making a kindness trading card and that you treat yourself well today.